The question we are having today says solve m plus n is equals to m minus n is equals to using matrix format. These people are actually trying to tell us to solve using Cramer's what rule. So we are not going to solve this simultaneous linear equation using elimination method, substitution method, or even graphical method. Rather, the fourth method, the Cramer's rule. Now, before we solve with the Cramer's rule, let's first of all bring out the coefficients of what? These unknown. So the coefficient of I'm having 1, 1. Coefficient of n, I'm having 1 minus 1. I hope you are there. Then you write mn this way. If you've done matrix, you understand what I have done. Now, if you multiply these two matrices, it is going to give you this, definitely. Now, what's the order of this matrix? The row, I have two rows and two columns. So it is 2 by 2 matrix. What's the order of this one? 2 rows and 1 column. So it is 2 by 1 column. The condition for two matrices to multiply themselves is what? The number of columns in the first matrix must be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. So can you see that they are equal? Therefore, these two matrices can multiply, and when they multiply, they would give this. So let's solve using Cramer's rule. If you want to use Cramer's rule, we must find the determinant of this matrix, the normal determinant. Then we have to find the determinant where the coefficient of x has been replaced by the answers. So these coefficients coefficient of m, no longer x, coefficient of m have been replaced by these what? Answers. Now, the coefficients of m are 1 and 1. So these answers, I will have to replace, this coefficient I have to replace them by these answers 2, 2. Then I actually have to get the dn, that is determinant where the coefficients of n has been replaced with the answers, the same thing that I do in DM. So first of all, let's find the normal determinant. The normal determinant, how do we find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix? We have to multiply the leading diagonal, then we do minus 1 times minus 1, therefore minus the product of the other diagonal, 1 times 1. I hope you are clear. So I have d is equals 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 times 1, 1. So the determinant is actually minus 2. So let's find the determinant where the coefficients of m have been replaced. So the coefficients of m, I have 1, 1. So I'm going to replace them with 2, 2. So these 1, 1 that are here, I will have 2, 2. Therefore, completely the rest, 1 minus 1. So I'll have to find the determinant in this case. So the same method, let's find. It is 2 times minus 1 minus what? 2 times 1. I hope it's clear. 2 times minus 1 is minus 2, minus 2 times 1, 2. So the determinant where the coefficients of m have been replaced is actually minus 4. Now, what of determinants where the coefficients of n has been replaced? Now, these coefficients of m, 1 and minus 1, which are these, I have to replace them with 2, 2. So let's find the determinant in this case. Now, I have to equally write the coefficient of m, 1, 1. Therefore, instead of writing 1 minus 1, that of the coefficient of n, I have to replace them with what? 2, 2. Hope I'm clear. So I have the same procedure, finding determinant, 1 times 2 minus what? 1 times 2 minus 1 times 2. Is it clear? So I have 1 times 2, 2 minus 1 times 2, 2. It will give us what? 0. Is it clear? Now let's find the value of m and what? N, because that's the main thing we are looking for here. So if you want to find m, what do? You have to do the determinant where the coefficient of m have been replaced all over the normal determinant. So, and if you only want to find n, you have to do the determinant where the coefficients of n has been replaced over the normal determinant. So in this case, I have that m is equals dm, which is minus 4, all over d, which is what? Minus 2. And that will give me minus divided by minus is plus. 4 over 2 is 2. So the value of m is 2. Then the value of n is actually dn, which is what? 0 all over d, which is minus 2. So 0 divided by anything is actually what? 0. So the value of m and the value of n are respectively 2 and what? 0. And if you put m1 as 2, put n as 0, put m1 as 2, put n as 0, you see that you get 2, 2. I hope it's clear. Have a nice day. Like, comment, share, and follow Courses Academy. Bye bye.